Hey everybody, it's John. In the YouTube video for JPS3. In this episode, we just started, and I'm back, and I actually happened to found this guy. It's kind of funny because I just found one of these guys right before I left, but this is actually a different guy. I think our scarf is bigger. What the heck? Okay. So we're in the snow. The last place before we reach the mountain. Oh, dragon! Oh no! Oh no! One guy fell. The mountain's right there. We can't give up now. As if you didn't know, the goal of the game is to get to the mountain. So this level is very helpful to have a friend. We're chatting. So now this part can be tricky. Stay behind these. If you don't want to be pulled away. Okay, good. Made it. But look, our guy's getting really snowed on here. I mean, this is tough. We are slowly but surely making progress in this cruel blizzard. There you go. Let's just get out of here. Yeah, we did it. No, this part's the hardest part of the game. There is one more part, but it's fun and easy. Oh, what the heck? What am I doing? I think my scarf is going away. Hey, this is making my scarf power go away. Let's chat. I feel like chatting. Hey, this is like the part in the desert. I don't know what these are. Oh, Henry, you're such a hen. Isn't Henry a hen? Oh, sir. Such a throw. I make no sense sometimes. I think I only missed one symbol. Oh, I know, two, I think. Dragons! The moon! Do you guys hear that? It's like a werewolf. Dragons. Hate them. Henry Poo, Henry Poo. That's my dog, Henry Poochie, Henry Poodle. Even though he's not Poodle. Man, this is so tough. It's not tough. It just like takes a long time. We're just freezing out here. And you can warm up if you guys get close to each other here. I will be doing an all symbols part also. What's this? Whoa. We just got all of our scarf back. It's warm up here. Hey, he just told me to come up here. And look what we found. Where'd he go? He's meditating. Good, he got up. Oh man, I thought that was the end of him. Hitting poodle pie. The bridge at the beginning. If you fall here, you have to restart. No, I'm not joking. Don't fall here. You have to restart. Let's just go get all the power. Oh, I almost failed right there. We passed it. I can't tell if my scarf is going away or it's just like permanently, or if it's just temporarily going away. Ah, it's another one of them lizards. Look at this. It's harsh and cruel. Push our way through this. Man, I thought he was leaving. I don't know if the white robe helps, but he's not losing any power for his scarf like I am. I can't do that. Only you can. Dude, stop. Chill out. Let me get my power. This guy's not understanding. I need this power. Dragons! I can barely see them in one of our friends. Oh, this is one fierce blizzard. Oh, dang. Is this gonna be your first dragon encounter? I mean, like, where he notices us, other than that one time where we blocked him off. I don't know what's going on. Wait for me. I can't even talk that loud now. I'm weak. Weak. I can barely walk. Wait for me! Oh, this guy's not nice. Wait. Where is he? I'm scared he's gonna like pop up behind me and go. It just totally wiped me out. Oh my gosh, this storm's brutal. This is the first time I actually want to get out of the snow. Where is he? Alright, did he see me? Oh, there they are. Look at my guy. He can go on like this. But we have to get to that mountain. Whoa. Remember sand surfing? Oh, he's not sand surfing. I thought he would be. But to have to continue this adventure. Well, this guy's being kind of rude. I mean, he's just like ditching me. It's like his scarf. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but his scarf is doing something. It's like shaking. No, I mean there's like some weird light coming off the end. I don't know what that means. Oh, there he is. There's the light. It looks way harsher on the actual TV, by the way. So I'm just gonna say that. Oh boy. There he goes! Adios, amigo. There goes our friend. Bye. That just shows how strong they are, but the mountain's right there. We can't give up now. Oh no, his scarf! Dude, look at that. His scarf is basically gone. Like, it took away half of his scarf. Oh. just shows that we're gonna have to. We're warming up. Oh, he doesn't want that mistake again now, does this guy? I mean, I don't think he does. Most likely. I mean, this guy's not affected by the cold. I mean, he is. Oh, that guy's scarf grows back automatically because he has the white robe. Okay. Is this where he came from? I am lost.